The forest. The forest covers 30% of our planet. More than 7 billion people call Earth home, and they all use paper. It takes around 26 trees to make 1 ton of paper, and Indonesia produces more than 9 million tons of paper per year. But the number of destroyed trees is much higher, ranking it 3rd in the world. With 10% of the remaining tropical forest today, the Indonesian forest is home to many endangered animal and plant species. With 2% of the Indonesian forest destroyed a year, Indonesia has the highest rate of deforestation. In the last 100 years, Indonesia has lost more than half of its forest and could be completely gone by 2022. The amount of wood needed is more than what can be legally produced. It's not just the forest that suffers. Without the forest, our planet cannot breathe. We have global warming and a climate change. Now it is up to us to take action. We have an opportunity to make a change.